All right, let me show you how you can make money with Clickfunnels $7 affiliate bootcamp program step by step in this video right here. And I honestly believe that if you follow the steps that are laid out inside of affiliate bootcamp, there's no reason why you cannot make money with it. Now, I'm not promising you that you're going to earn any money with it. I cannot make any income claim. So don't take my word for that you're going to make any money, because I don't even know if you're willing to even go through the steps, okay, that are laid out in this training in order for you to be successful with affiliate bootcamp. But what I did when I joined, and I'm going to give you the step-by-step action steps that I took when I came into affiliate bootcamp, and you can follow along with me. But whenever you get ready to join affiliate bootcamp, you can click the link in the description below. Now, the first thing I did when I came in affiliate bootcamp was I watched the introduction video to see what it was all about. This is Russell Brunson, and then he turned it over to a guy named Ben Moot, who's actually going to be doing all of the training. Russell does some training and Ben does some training, but all of the training that you're going to learn is going to help you inside of affiliate bootcamp with the $7 affiliate bootcamp course. Okay, so the first thing I did, I watched this video right here of Russell Brunson. I watched the whole 11 minutes and 39 seconds of it. I watched this video. And then what I did, I came up to income streams. And when you click on income streams, this is where you're going to put in your affiliate links, okay? You want to make sure you have all of your affiliate links inside of the system here. Now, depending upon if you come in at the if you get the upsell, which gives you the super affiliate, okay, status, then you're going to get 3 additional incomes, plus you can earn 100% commission. So if you just come in at the $7 level, which is cool, that's going to be $7 per month. You want to make sure you put in all of your affiliate links here. It just says create your account. Go create your account. Come back and put in the codes here. Now, one thing I would recommend on the start here, watch this video until the end, because Ben is going to show you and talk to you about the income streams. Okay, so make sure you do that. That's the very first step that you want to do. And then once you do that, we can come over here and look at the path to success. And all of these are the different modules and missions that you're going to go through here. So we'll come down here, partner with Russell. Click on that. You want to watch this introduction video, because what it's going to tell you about your commissions account, the community, the introduction, all of these videos right here. Watch this video. Take this step. Okay, this is step by step. This is what I did. This is what I'm sharing with you. And everything that he said do, that he told me to do or telling us to do in this video, you need to do it as well. Follow him on Instagram, subscribe to the VIP list, free, and the YouTube channel and all of that. And if you want to put in your number to get the text, you can. I chose not to do that, but that's on you. Then you want to go to the next step. You want to join the school community. Okay. In other words, just follow all this training. This is where you're going to start setting up your income streams. Follow this video again to make sure you have everything set up. Going down to modeling success, watch the videos in the step. Want to make sure everything is done, everything is set up. Now, this is how you're going to make money. You're going to make money, or can make money, or possibly make money by following the steps laid out inside of this system. Then next to becoming an entrepreneur, beating resistance, we're going to get your mindset right here. Extreme ownership. You can't blame anybody for the results you didn't get. If you're not getting results, it's your fault. It's nobody else's fault. We want to blame the system. We want to blame affiliate bootcamp. We want to blame HBA. We want to blame OLSP. We want to blame everything and everybody but us. Watch this. This is your step. Then the next step, your definite of purpose. Watch these videos right here and get everything going in the right direction. Click the next step. Look. It's 24-hour wait period between partnering with Russell and becoming an entrepreneur. Click commission complete. Then it's going to lock. You won't be able to go to the next step, but I can. Okay. So Then the affiliate bootcamp. It is what is affiliate marketing. Is going to break it down to you. We're going to talk about the affiliate bootcamp. Download the PDF guide. Getting your basic tools, Clickfunnels. Okay, so you want to get Clickfunnels. The next thing you're going to do is basically follow all of this training in order for you to get in a position where you can make money online. Okay, setting up the profit centers again. Once again, just want to make sure everything is set up and good to go. Want to go one by one. Okay, everything. Get all of this set up so you are good to go. Then the next thing you're going to do, you're going to create your short links. You're going to set up your bridge funnel, and you're going to build your email list. This is out of all of these steps, building your email list is important, because once you build an email list, okay, you can promote any affiliate offer to them that's going to help them and serve them. I wouldn't say just anything, but you can promote other affiliate offer that you have tested and tried and that works for you, and you can promote it to your list as well, okay, to help them. So you want to build your email list. You're going to get done for your emails. Then you're going to get your first 100 clicks. This is where a lot of people are going to freeze up, because Russell Brunson is actually talking about solo ads, okay? Out of all my years of knowing of Russell and listening to him online and follow his training, and I have never really heard him speak of solo ads except for in one of his training, but he was talking about solo ads back in the day before Facebook, YouTube, Google and all of that, getting on other people's lists, emails from those people's lists. But now he's talking about solo ads again. So he's talking about traffic. Then they're going to explain how solo ads work, the magic list building system. The next step is Udemy. Now, I want you to understand something about Udemy. In this training, they are not going to tell you specific vendors to use, simply because if they give you specific vendors to use and everybody inside of Affiliate Bootcamp are using those vendors, then what do you think is going to happen? That vendors list is going to get saturated with this same offer, even though you can be sending different, a different opt-in page and a thank you page or bridge page. Once they get to Russell and they see that it's the same thing, oh, I've seen this before. So they're not going to give you the vendors. You have to go in and choose the vendors for yourself. Now, are you going to get the best vendors? I don't know. Are you going to get the worst vendors? I don't know. You have to be willing to test. But when you test, start small. And he talks about that in this video as well. Okay. Then you're going to, your first 100 clicks, talks about it here. And then you have the option, once you build your list, you can sell clicks there as well. And then you're going to get some more mindset. Then we're going to do some funnel hacking, sending your first broadcast, how to email your list. Then your other traffic source is going to be YouTube. If you're afraid of doing videos, I understand, I've been there, but YouTube is a gold mine for doing, long form content and shorts. I prefer long, but I need to get into the short. But you're going to learn how to do YouTube the correct way from Russell Brunson's own YouTube guy, who's going to show you step by step. Okay. YouTube Affiliate Marketing Foundation, setting up your YouTube channel, crafting high converting videos, filming basics for beginners, optimizing your videos and boosting your engagement. And then they'll have a contest for your, once you do a review for Affiliate Bootcamp, you're going to be put into a contest in here as well. So that's another traffic source. And then you get another traffic source, which is shorts. Okay. Shorts traffic strategy introduction. This is a guy that Russell brought in to teach us how to do short form video. This is good training. All I can tell you, this training is awesome. You want to go through that. So what you have right here, if we just look at this, all these little videos in scripts method, build followers and ads, bonus viral trigger, AI and more, affiliate unboxing videos, some training, And then conversation domination, that's another product that you can upgrade to. So with the shorts traffic and the YouTube traffic and the 100 clicks from Udemy, the goal is to get you start paying for traffic. Okay, getting you some traffic coming in, not a whole lot, but just a little traffic coming in, building your email list. While you're doing that, you can get started on the YouTube training. Okay, start creating YouTube videos, and then short strategy. Now the short strategy is not just for YouTube. They can be used at Facebook Reels, Instagram, TikTok, however you want to do it. If you want to use those other streams, you know, of traffic or methods of getting traffic. Personally, if I were you, if you're a beginner, I would pick, you know, one strategy, one platform, okay, and let Affiliate Bootcamp be your main product, because inside of this one system, if you think about it, you have multiple streams of income inside of this system. You got Affiliate Bootcamp itself, okay? These are one-time sales, can be residual with the $7. Clickfunnels is residual. Offer Lab or one-time sales in there. Maybe some residual, I'm not sure. Secrets of Success could be residual. I think it is. Secrets of Success 357 Club may be residual. Udemy, in a sense, is residual, simply because people are going to keep purchasing traffic if they're getting results. And then WAP, and then of course Prime Services, which is, you know, help with your taxes and LLCs and all that. Those are one-time sales. Voomly is another affiliate program, and Bottom PT is another kind of a high ticket sale where you earn $300 with it. So you have multiple streams of income in this one system. The only thing you have to do is go through here step by step. Follow the system, take your time, don't be in a rush, because if you're trying to make money fast and in a hurry, it's going to be a slow process for you. So take your time, go through each step, the success path, go through each step, okay? Partner with Russell. After you go through these, it's going to lock. But do the action, do the steps inside of here to get you going in the right direction. Join the programs, your affiliate programs in here to get going. Now, with that being said, that's how you can, you know, make money from Clickfunnels affiliate program. This $7 affiliate bootcamp program, step by step, if you just follow the steps inside of here. Because once you get everything done in here, it's just simply all about you sending traffic, and sending traffic. And then if you have some other traffic strategies, you can send that as well. So with that being said, I hope you got value from this video. What I would like for you to do is go ahead on right now, click the link in the description. It's going to take you to a page where you're going to see my mug again. Go ahead on, opt into that page, go to the next step. You're going to find out the bonuses that I'm giving you in as well. Go through the next step, get to this page, watch Russell, get in here, learn how to do the affiliate bootcamp. I will see you on the inside. Click the link in the description, leave me a comment below. I want you to have a great day today and a better day tomorrow. Peace.